quick video on how to do a custom background for an MTR on Android. Really simple, just follow along. So this is the device I want to do the custom background for. So what you do is you create a configuration profile. So you go to the configuration profile, you press add. Right, so naming convention is really up to you. I'm just going to make it easy for me to find and just type in the name Randy and then the actual name of the room. I'm going to turn off device lock. That is a throwback from phones that has stayed in the configuration profile since then. Hopefully it will be removed at some point. It is an MTR on Android, so I do want content sharing. I do want audio. I'm going to set the time zone to United Kingdom. I'm going to change all of this to be London. Date format's fine. I like 24-hour time. Maintenance window, yeah, that's fine. On a Sunday. Daily device restart, yeah. You can have it in there if you want. I don't really want it on. Enable touchscreen controls. I do want that on because I don't actually have a touch console plumbed into the device right now. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to set maximum room occupancy. I can say people can extend reservations, allowed to use the whiteboard. I don't want to require passcode to join meetings. But yeah, kind of everything else, let's just go ahead and set power saving, that's fine. Screen capture, yeah, it doesn't matter. Bluetooth beacon, I want that on. I want to automatically accept remote control from devices, have a QR code, automatically accept those. DHCP's on. Admin password, I've already set one, so I'm not going to mess with that. Background, backlight, timeout, yeah, that's fine. So, right, so the background, what you need to do is choose use custom background. It says here you can upload an image, PNG, JPEG, JPG format, minimum resolution 1920 by 1080, image size must not exceed 20 meg. So I'm just going to upload from here, choose the folder that I want. There you go. Press open. There you go. You can see the image has appeared in there. It's met all their criteria, that sort of thing. Just keep in mind that if you've got an image that is slightly awkward or it's bigger, it just needs to be that 1080p aspect ratio, 1920 by 1080 or multiples of that, and then it will shrink it down. If it's too wide or too tall or something, it will actually crop it to one of those dimensions. So it will actually make it 1080 by whatever it is your image is, pixels high, or if it's too high, then obviously it will squash it, so everything will look a bit funny. But this one looks fine. It's 1920 by 1080. That is for the main display. If I had a second screen plugged in, I could have a different image on that, or I could just have the same image. You can see behind me at the top there, that's actually a dual screen MTR, and I've actually uploaded half an image basically on both halves effectively for a configuration profile. Right, I don't have a console for this one just right now, but I am actually going to upload an image. I think that one's okay. Right, it's the same image, it's just a different size, and it will put it on absolutely fine. And then you just press save. So that has now saved that configuration profile. Now if I go back to the rooms, and then I tick the room that I want to affect, then you press assign configuration. And I'm going to type in Randy. There you go, nice and easy to find. And that does the search. And then you press apply. Hopefully, there you go, a nice green banner and a tick mark there to say that it's been done. And it's effectively now queued that configuration profile with all those settings for the device. In my experience, it takes between, I don't know, 10 and 60 minutes or something like that to make it happen. What I'll do is when I edit the video, I'll add a screen in there for the MTR itself to show you that it's changed. Right, so the configuration profile worked. It took about 3 to 4 minutes, something like that. And the display on the MTR itself went dark. That showed me that the power saving that I actually put in the configuration profile worked. I wiggled the mouse that's connected to it to wake it up, and this was waiting for me. The background that I uploaded to the profile is actually on there. That's how you create a custom background and upload it to your MTR on Windows. It's the same process actually for Teams panel. I'm not going to do a separate video on that, so don't get too excited. Push the configuration profile to the device, and away you go. Right, that is it. That's the whole video. If you like my content, please go ahead and like and subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.